Hello boys and girls, so now I am going to be showing you how we are going to be filling out our graphic organizer as we read through one of the texts we chose. But first, let's read the question. So, which branch of the government do you believe is the most important? List at least 3 reasons why you think that branch is more important than the other 2. So, you are going to be using the information from the text you chose, either from the judicial, legislative, or executive, and you are going to be able to write your opinions on this graphic organizer to help you organize your 3 reasons and your 3 explanations. Again, for each explanation, you can put your supporting details as well as your opinions. Remember, an opinion is just your viewpoint, what you believe, okay? It's not facts. It's not facts found from the story. You can use facts found in the text to help you support your reason that you put. Okay? So, for example, I believe that the most important branch is the executive branch. So I'm going to be reading the text and I'm going to be looking for reasons why I think this is the most important branch. So I placed an example in our chart and I put in reason 1, it put laws to work. So now I'm going to go back to the text and see where else I could find the reason or an explanation of why that's important, or I can explain using my own words why I think it's important. So again, for reason 2, I also filled it out and I put my second reason why I think it's important is because the president works there. So again, I will be going back to the text and I will be looking for evidence as to why I think that's the most important. So you will be doing this throughout as you read, and you are going to be looking for 3 reasons. So the reason I'm having you fill out this chart as you read through the text, because I want you all to organize your thoughts and opinions, so when we are able to write our prompt, you are able to use your chart without having to go back and forth and find your reasons through the text. So this is just a helpful way to stay organized and to help you write out your prompt.